Hey everyone, today we're excited to introduce you to the latest innovation in home cleaning technology, the Roborock Q Revo MaxV robot vacuum. This cutting-edge device has just been launched in Europe, and it's set to revolutionize the way you clean your home. Roborock, a prominent player in the smart home ecosystem and a partner of Xiaomi, has introduced its latest innovation, the Q Revo MaxV robot vacuum, to the German market. This cutting-edge device boasts an impressive array of features aimed at revolutionizing home cleaning routines. One of the standout features of the Roborock Q Revo MaxV is its formidable suction power, clocking in at 7,000 pascals. This powerful suction capability ensures thorough cleaning of various floor surfaces, from carpets to hardwood floors, effectively removing dust, dirt, and debris with ease. Equipped with FlexiArm edge cleaning technology, the Q Revo MaxV is developed to reach even the most hard-to-reach areas along room edges and corners. Its innovative appearance allows it to achieve up to 98.8% coverage of room edges, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning experience. Another notable feature of the Q Revo MaxV is its automatic hot mop cleaning functionality, available at the docking station. This feature not only simplifies the cleaning process, but also ensures that floors are not just vacuumed but also mopped, leaving them sparkling clean. The Q Revo MaxV shares similarities in functionality with the Dream 20 Lira Ultra, another product from Xiaomi's ecosystem. Both devices reflect Xiaomi's commitment to innovation and quality within its sub-brands. With a focus on maximizing efficiency and convenience, these robot vacuums represent the pinnacle of smart home cleaning technology. Controlling the Q Revo MaxV is intuitive and convenient, thanks to its compatibility with Hello Rocky voice commands. This allows users to effortlessly command the robot vacuum, making it a seamless addition to any smart home setup. Additionally, the Q Revo MaxV features reactive AI obstacle avoidance, enhancing its cleaning operation by intelligently navigating around obstacles for a more balanced and efficient cleaning performance. The Roborock Q Revo MaxV robot vacuum has arrived in the German market with an enticing offer for consumers. Priced at €949, the Q Revo MaxV presents a significant discount from its original price of €999, making it an attractive option for those seeking cutting-edge home cleaning technology at a more affordable rate. In summary, the Roborock Q Revo MaxV robot vacuum sets a new standard for home cleaning devices, with its powerful suction, advanced edge cleaning capabilities, automatic hot mop cleaning, and intelligent features. As part of Xiaomi's ecosystem, it embodies the company's commitment to innovation and quality, offering consumers a truly transformative cleaning experience. Thank you for joining me today as we explore the incredible features of the Roborock Q Revo MaxV robot vacuum. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in your search for the perfect cleaning solution for your home, and God bless you.